Hello, my lovely viewers. Let's take a quick look at this question. This question we are asked in the experiment below. X is what? This is the experiment. And we are asked the value of this X is what? We are given a range of options here. What are the range of options? We have pure nitrogen, a mixture of oxide, and so on. Now, this is a typical diagram of what? Of alkaline pyrogallol. You have to understand the component of air. Air that will breathe is made up of what and what? This air that will breathe is made up of, the highest percentage of air is what? Nitrogen. We have what? Oxygen. Oxygen occur in 21%. And the rest, we have carbon dioxide, about 0.0%. 0.002%. We have water vapor, and we have noble gas. Now, if you introduce this air here, if this air is introduced to this particular thing, pyrogallol, what we mean by pyrogallol is oxygen absorber, all right, more especially in alkaline solution. The chemical name is benzene 1,2,3-triol pyrogallol. Now, when you introduce air into this alkaline pyrogallol, remember alkaline is what? Alkaline solution is made up of mostly potassium hydroxide, which is normally known as what? Potash. Sometimes they will not use alkaline, they will use potash. When you say potash, is what? Potassium hydroxide, NaOH, sodium hydroxide. So this alkaline pyrogallol here is made up of what? Potassium hydroxide and what? Sodium hydroxide solution. Now, this sodium hydroxide, they will always absorb what? Oxygen. Look at component that is absorbed here. Alkaline pyrogallol will always absorb what? Will always absorb oxygen. Alkaline, like I say, pyrogallol is oxygen absorber. So when air, by the time you introduce air here, when it gets here, oxygen will be what? Will be absorbed. You get that? By the time oxygen is absorbed, and also carbon dioxide will be absorbed, because carbon dioxide can also react, potassium hydroxide can react with carbon dioxide. It means that it will get trapped. Carbon dioxide will be trapped here because of what? Because it can react with potassium hydroxide. Another thing that can also trap carbon dioxide is what? Quicklime, CaO. Quicklime, in case you are asked. So these three things, potassium hydroxide, sodium hydroxide, and quicklime, calcium oxide, will always trap what? Carbon dioxide. So carbon dioxide is what? Is being trapped. What are left? We have nitrogen, we have water, and we have noble gas. Now come to, by the time the air now, remember oxygen and carbon dioxide is trapped here. What is now left is this 1, 2, 3. Now the air will begin to go. When you now get to this place now, we have what? Calcium chloride. Calcium chloride is a desiccant. A desiccant is a drying agent, a substance that you can use and remove water. You get that? Now this desiccant now, or this drying agent now, will remove what? Will remove this water vapor. Are you following? This calcium chloride is in alkaline pyrogallol will always remove what? Will remove water vapor, because of what? It is a drying agent. You get that? To remove water vapor. So water vapor is now what? Is now removed. You get that? Now what is now left is what? Is now nitrogen and what? Noble gas. Nitrogen and noble gas, they are unreactive. Nitrogen in its stage, it is written as triple bond. It is very, very difficult to remove nitrogen in a laboratory. You get that? Nitrogen and noble gas. Noble gas are unreactive, therefore they can penetrate here and go out. So our X will now be left with what? Will now be left with nitrogen and what? And noble gas. So our answer is what? A mixture of nitrogen and what? In the gases. So for more of this video, do well to like, share, and comment. Please and please share this my videos. Share this my videos. I'm begging you. God bless you.